Renovations at Railworld going on. Callum in the 360. As you see, look, everything's getting renovated around. The new railway gardens coming on over here with Bob and Paul and the team. There's Barry painting there. You got Chris and the other guy Phil, I think, working on this. You got Cross Key Homes and Mears Group knocking all this down and helping us get rid of this, get it all renovated. Then you got the guys from up north what are doing the sleepers and everything. The new track and that was going to go in. Look at them bad boys. What wood is it?
The wood variety.
Sorry?
The wood variety.
What tree? Yeah.
It's a mixture of Scots fir and...
Because you can't use oak anymore, can you? They don't know how to use oak or anything, do they?
You can if you can. It.
Right.
It's expensive.
Right.
And larch.
Right, okay, yeah.
The wind was a bit indiscriminate, it just took lots of trees down. But down here there was no wind last November.
Oh right, yeah. Oh, and that's where they come from then?
Came from Northumberland, yeah.
Right, okay. Sustainable then really, isn't it?
Completely. They were planted in the 1960s.
Wow, they got up quite fast, didn't they?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is quite slow. Yeah, the forestry stuff goes up much faster.
Right, okay. Oh dear.
That's what, sort of 60, 50 years they've been in the ground. But they're ready. That's why they keep falling over. Because they're so at a height now.
Yeah, they just can't.
The root ball is 5 foot deep.
Right.
And they're 60 foot tall. So the wind just
takes them out, yeah.
And now that some of them have gone, every time there's more wind, it just takes more out.
Right. There's space to gaps for the wind to get through, I suppose.
Exactly.
Yeah. It's coming along nicely anyway, chaps, isn't it? Yeah. Brilliant. It's brilliant. And then you see the RTV on the other side there. It's had a very nice clean up. Mr. Brian up there. Say cheese, Barry. And as you see, look, that's had a nice clean on that side there. There's a lot of work going on, guys. A lot of work. And then Bob's garden and everything like that's coming on lovely. Big pond down there. Apple trees are coming along nice. Flower arrangement's coming on. There's Bob's nice display there. And there you go, that's the new bit of work for it. That's the James Pond 007. And that's Mr. Bob. Did we get the finger today, Mr. Bob? Look at that, guys, it's amazing, isn't it? Excellent work. Don't forget, come down and visit Railworld. Bring your kids, bring the family, there's picnic areas, there's everything. All this side's being renovated. And the other side, the Wildlife Haven, which I'll take you to in the next video. It's excellent. I'll catch you all again soon. Don't forget Railworld Wildlife Haven alongside New Valley Railway. Come along, take the family out, and leave a good comment for them on their TripAdvisors and everything. Bye peeps.